So today on Essential Oils in 1 minute or less, we're going to be talking about abōde. Now this is a fairly new oil that came out by doTERRA recently, and it is amazing. I love the smell of it. I love to diffuse it, but it is great on surfaces. So if you ever want to make a surface cleaner, I would suggest using abōde. Now doTERRA does have other products with abōde in it. They have, I believe, it is a dish soap, a dishwasher detergent. There's also a laundry detergent. There's a spray cleaner. So there are lots of different options, and it is amazing for cleaning surfaces. There's lots of science behind it. I would definitely go check that out. I can't really talk about it in 1 minute or less, but think abōde, think clean. It is beautiful. If you have any questions about abōde or any other doTERRA product, please let me know. See you next time. Bye.